to create sessions in-house, again, we go to the client information page, whoever client we're working with. So for all my videos, I have been using Joseph Smith as an example. So I don't have to keep creating a different client every time. So we'll just click on the new membership/plans button to create sessions in-house. So now again, these sessions in-house, like I've been mentioning in my previous videos, anything that is in-house, we do not have to enter their credit card or their bank account information. So let's say, this person has bought 5 sessions and they're going to be coming in and giving you cash, okay, per session. So, sessions are going to start, let's say, today onwards, right? And I'm going to give them, let's say, until, how many sessions? 5 sessions. So let's say we're going to give them 2 months to complete these sessions, right? So we have May and June. So let's say by July 25th, they have to complete these sessions, complete these 5 sessions. Okay, so, let's say they have paid us $80 for these 5 sessions. And if you want to add the tax amount, you could. If not, you can leave it at 0, right? So 5 sessions starting on May 25th and expiring on July 25th. Go ahead and click on the create button. Once you click on the create button, again, you're going to see that this person has bought 5 sessions and all 5 of them are remaining right now, right? So every time the person comes and they check in with their barcode, key tag, the last seen data gets updated at the same time, it would minus 1 session. So every time this person's coming in and they're scanning their key card, their sessions are being minus from the countdown, right? And here it is. So if we were to view our membership here that I just created, sessions in-house, right? So this person's going to pay us $80, right? Starting from May 25th until July 25th. So to view it, this is going to show me my billing information that it's a session in-house membership for $80. Since I did not add any tax, it's showing me as NA. Total amount $80, and there's no transactions created here because it is an in-house membership.